Cinematic shooting has always been my favorite line of action, but wondering it is not everyone's cup of tea, rather, it is someone's cup of coffee. No, please don't take me wrong. Apparently, I'm also finding the way out to explore and learn the cinematic videos. Alright, so guys, I hope you all are safe and doing good. This is Ashish and I welcome you all to this brand new episode of Cinematic Video. During the daytime with my Sony ZV E10 and iPhone 12, I started recording videos. I recorded videos in multiple modes, that is slow motion and standard motion. The setting for Sony ZV E10 I kept on manual, that is adjusting exposure, aperture, ISO as per the daylight required. In iPhone 12, I kept the video setting to auto mode at 4K recording. And in Sony ZV E10, I kept the video recording 4K at 24 frames per second. So comparing video recording from both cameras, that is ZV E10 and iPhone 12, I find ZV E10 records much more crispier than iPhone 12. Of course, there is much bigger difference in Sony ZV E10 camera sensor than iPhone 12 camera sensor. The comparison never judges the way. Of course, iPhone has its own way of benefit and ZV E10 like mirrorless camera has its own way of benefits. Setting the ISO in mirrorless is not difficult, but it's challenging because every time the daylight or your light changes, you have to adjust the ISO accordingly. ISO plays a very important role in daylight condition because as the daylight and temperature changes, you have to adjust the ISO accordingly. Remember, once you set the ISO, it should stable the exposure to 00, not to go minus or plus numbers of exposure. That will certainly reduce the image quality. Though if you are recording in the closed lighting setup, you should not be worrying about the ISO or exposure. You set it, forget it. Now, what is shutter speed and what does it exactly sounds like? It is the speed at which the shutter of the camera closes. That means a faster shutter speed creates a shorter exposure, amount of light camera takes in, and slow shutter speed gives longer exposure. Basically, it is recommended to double the shutter based on your frame rate. For example, if you set your camera resolution at 4K 25fps, then you should double the shutter speed at 1/50. These settings will definitely give you the best optimum value which you are looking for. The next thing that never has to change is the aperture. It refers to the opening of lens diaphragm through which the light passes and it depends upon the kit lens you use. Alright, so all these settings shall be used to record the raw videos to balance in every aspect, and that can be used to edit the cinematic videos. Appreciate your support by clicking on the thumbs up to this video, click on the bell icon to get notified for the new videos and subscribe to my channel. So this was the short information about the cinematic video. Do let me know in the comment section below. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.